A very warm welcome. My name is Dino Oberle and I'm product trainer for Bosch Power Tools. And with me is Norbert Knapp from the Marketing Home and Garden.
Yeah, also from my side a big welcome to you. In our training session today we will have a closer look on the new spray gun, so-called EasySpray 18V -100. Dino, the first question to you at the very first beginning. What is really special about this tool?
Yeah, as you can see, it's very compact, very lightweight, and also you have here the possibility to adjust the paint. That's the paint volume, and here in the front also the paint pattern, and it's compatible to all our 18V battery systems and also compatible to our 18V Power for All Alliance.
We heard about it, the main benefits of this tool. Dino, let's have a deep dive, okay, about functionalities. Let's have a look on the packaging. We see the naming, for example, EasySpray 18V -100. What does it mean?
Yes, the 18V, I think it's pretty clear. So that means that all the battery systems of the Power for All Alliance fits in here, and the -100 stands for 100 milliliter per minute. So that means you can spray very fast. So in 1 minute you can spray 1 square meter, and together with the adjustable nozzle in the front, for example, you can spray very precise. That means you can here have different positions, so they can spray horizontal, vertical, or if you have here this nozzle a little bit diagonal, then you can spray on one point. So normally you can spray crosswise, that you have a very nice result at the end, and also you can spray here in one point that we think, or if we think on fences or something like that, very small areas. Also, all these areas you can spray very exact with that system.
Wow, a lot of information. Dino, where can I find additional information?
Yeah, it's very easy. Of course, in the internet you can find on our YouTube channel different informations, also how you handle the tool, but also if you are opening the packaging, then you can see there a QR code. And here with that QR code also you get more information.
Dino, you told us a lot of about the volume, how to spray it, how to use the nozzle and so on, but which material should be used?
Yeah, you can spray all the different lasers or paints. Sometimes you get a question whether we can spray also wall paints. For that we have the corded systems. And the corded systems, you have a higher volume, a spray volume, and a higher engine or a stronger engine, and with that you can spray wall paints, not with that system. That is specialized for all the outside works, where normally only needs lasers or paints. And normally also you can also spray this undiluted. So that means you can directly fill it in the container and spray, but you have to try it first, of course, on either a piece of paper, for example, that you see, okay, how is the paint, is it very nice, the surface or not? And then you can dilute it a little bit in 5% steps. So the most colors today are water-based, so that means you can mix it with water and then see the very fine result, the perfect result, and then you can spray.
Do you have a kind of recommendation about the distance while application?
Yeah, my recommendation is that you spray away from the material you want to spray, so let's say 2 hands away. So that's very easy to understand, and that's the perfect distance. Okay. And also, what a hint from my side here, we have also battery status indicator, so that you every time can see how full is your battery.
Cool. Yeah, Dino, you told us about the material that we have to use the lasers, for example. But in my opinion, I always connect this application with a lot of dirt, and I always ask the question how to clean it afterwards.
Yeah, that's right. It's also very easy because we have here separated the engine from the spray gun, and so you only have to really clean the spray gun. That means you release here the container, empty it, or the rest of the color back, and then you can put off all these small parts, the nozzle, and of course here the last nozzle in the front, and then you can clean it normally by water-based colors with water. I would prefer a little bit warm water, so it's very easy. Then you can fill in here the water until the water comes out here clear, so that there is no color inside. then you clean all the other parts. So that's very, very easy, very fast. I take roundabout not more than 10 minutes for that.
Okay. Yeah, we heard about a lot of advantages and benefits of this tool. Let's sum up a bit. We have a really easy to use, easy to assemble tool, very compact tool, very easy to while application. It's also part of the battery system, Home and Guard battery system, and also the part of the Power for All Alliance. And Dino, the last question to you. What about the scope of delivery?
Yeah, what you can see on the packaging, that means it's all included what you need for starting your work. That means the spray gun, of course, the engine, the hose, and also the carrying strap, so that you can use it directly with your battery system you have at home and start directly. The only thing you can get additional is an extra container if you want, for example, if you are painting with different colors, that you don't have to change it every time. Yeah. So that can you get for extra, but normally it's all included what you need for starting.
Wow. Yeah, Dino, many thanks to you. I really appreciate all those information from your side, from a real expert. If you now would like to have further information about the warranty, a warranty extension, for example, or if you would like to order spare parts, or if you would like to subscribe to our newsletter, then visit our webpage bosch-diy.com. And if you would like to have further information about different tools and other tools, or even would like to see some tutorials with Dino, then visit our YouTube channel. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos.
Yeah, and I wish you a lot of fun with our tools and see you next time.
Bye.